What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're back today with another video today, but it's not gonna be for the Accord, it's gonna be for the RSX. So apologize for you guys that want to see Accord content. I do have a video, it's not completed yet. Like, I already started taking out the axle bolt. I copper sprayed a few of the gaskets, well, the 3 gaskets that I needed. I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. Just want to show you guys. So this video is gonna be at the RSX, but I already started the Accord. Some of it I'm gonna finish the video hopefully tonight. I'm just waiting for nighttime. So I'm probably not gonna go to work today because my daily is the RSX, and she's the water pump started making noise, and when you hear that noise, it's making like a screeching noise, which I'm gonna show you guys like right now. The water pump starts to fail, and then you're gonna see your car needle, the temperature go up a little bit, like it's overheating. And that's because your water pump. So once you slow down, the temperatures will go back to normal. That means your water pump is failing. I had the same issue with the TSX, so I already have the video for that. I can show you guys that video. I'm gonna put the link up there and in the description box. I already did the water pump replacement on the TSX, which is a K24, and it was difficult. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be difficult as well. But nobody ever done it on the RSX. I mean, it's pretty much the same shit. Looks like. You hear that screeching noise? You hear that screeching noise? I'm gonna open the hood for you guys. Open the garage as well, so I can park this in the garage and I'll show you guys better. But let me show you guys what I got. Besides the water, I got the water pump right here, the gasket. You know, water pump. That's the water pump. You guys don't know what a water pump is. I also bought a thermostat because I'm actually gonna change the coolant in the car, and I'm gonna change the thermostat. Because if I'm gonna change the water pump, might as well change the thermostat. I don't want to come into no overheating issues at all. I also bought this gasket maker because, you know, dealerships are closed right now, so I bought this, you know, gasket maker from High Torque. It's like gray. It's kind of the same shit as Honda Bond. Bought some rags, and I bought the pan to drain the coolant. Basically, the rags is for clean the car, and the interior and the exterior, because this car needs a wash and the car washes are closed. But what we're gonna do today is the water pump, the thermostat, and the coolant. So I already have coolant over there. It's in that yellow bottle over there. So yeah, let me put this car near the garage so I can show you guys the noise. Well, so not only do I gotta change the water pump to this shit, you can see smoke. The car just bursted. Got antifreeze. So I gotta figure out what holes bursted. So I'm gonna have to take the air box out, this whole piping out, to see what holes. It doesn't look like any of the front ones. At least from here, it doesn't look like it. It is what it is. I had to drain the antifreeze anyway, so I mean, I guess it saved me the trouble of just leaking it all out. I gotta find what hose is that so I can replace that. So right now, finally got the nut that I couldn't take off. I took it to a shop. It was Shaw Auto Center. He took it off for me. So I'm gonna take the pulley off from this side right here. So in order to take the water pump out, you see that pulley right there? I think it's a size 10. I'm gonna untension it, take this belt off right here, and then I'm gonna jack the car up, and from there take the wheel off, and then from there we get to uncover that see that the wheel well cover right there, take it off, and then we could get access to the bolts for the water pump and stuff. So yeah, that's actually a size 14. You gotta push downwards. This shit it's hard and tight. That shit hurt my hand, bro. So yeah, 14 wrench. That one right here. I used actually a 9/16 wrench. Pushed it down, then I was able to slide that off. Had to move the power steering reservoir to the side. This is the ghetto-ness of the last owner. That's the hoses he created for the power steering. So yeah, before I lift the car up and take the wheel off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the air box off, everything off from the top here, because I want to see what hose is broken so I can buy it before the store closes, because we know coronavirus, everything closes early. So I have to do this shit ASAP so I can have everything I need so I can finish this car today. Because not only did I lose a day of work, but now I have 2 cars, well, 3 cars down. Honda Accord is down, 8.6 Corolla's down, and now the RSX down, which is my daily, which is without a daily. If you don't have a running daily, your projects won't ever be done either. You know what I'm saying? This is the most important car, your daily. If you don't have a good running daily, none of your project cars will be done. That's a fact, because this is what makes your money, this is what takes you to work and all that. Unless you take a train or a bus, I need this for work. I actually use a car for work, and without a car I won't make money, so I'm losing money without a car running. So this is my, basically my income is this car right here. It's my daily. So yeah, without this running, I'm assed out. So hopefully we'll get this shit done and fixed today. That's the plan. And yeah, one more thing, as you can notice, the car is clean because I washed it yesterday night. I am gonna polish it today too, hopefully. So once everything is done, I am gonna polish the car. We're gonna have to re-clean everything because it was raining, so that's why it's kind of still a little bit dirty. But clean everything, then I'm gonna polish the whole car, make it look brand new and fresh. But that's whatever. That's for the next video. What I'm gonna do now is basically lift the car up, and then I'm gonna take the airbox off and all that, like I said, and I'll get back to you. So I took everything out, and I found the culprit. It's right there. See it leaking? That hole's right there. It's corroded, broken. It's leaking. Let's see if I can get it. You see it leaking? See it? That hose is no good. For now, that's all I can see. Gotta replace that hose. Don't see leaks anywhere else. This is how you check for leaks. You have an antifreeze leak. Take everything out where all the hoses could be. I already knew it couldn't be the two main ones, the two big ones from the radiator, because the leak came out from over here. You guys can see, splashed all in here. I thought it was one of these in the back, but as you can see, it's that one right there. See, it starts leaking again. Gotta fill the throttle body real quick. I'm gonna replace that little ass hose, and then we should be good. So everything is out. Took all these out. It's a couple 10 mils on that. You know, obviously, you guys already know 10 mils over here for this airbox. Simple, real simple. Right now, got the car lifted up in the air, the wheel off. That's the water pump right there. Shit's tight, super tight. So I'm gonna try to put my hands in there, take all the bolts out. There's only like 6 bolts, I think. Do my best to get in there and take it off, because yeah, there's no other way. I try to take the top mount off, which that's why the 2 bolts are missing up here, to move the engine a little bit. Not able to. I'm gonna have to loosen up all the other mount over here in order to move the engine a little bit to the left. Because if you're able to move this engine to the left a little bit, as you can see, there's space. So that water pump will move a little bit over here, so we have more room to work with. But that's not the case, so yeah, it is what it is. But we're gonna do what we gotta do and loosen these bolts. I think they're 8 mils. Try to loosen all of them from what space we have and see if we can do it. So guys, I was wrong. That is not your water pump. I was looking at it and it's way different than this one, as you can see. Just the screws. So yeah, I look at it and try to take it out. Yeah, I was gonna start taking it out, then I noticed that it is not a water pump. A water pump is actually up here. I had to take out, disassemble the power steering. It was like 2 screws right here. I'll show you guys, one there and one there. 2 screws come out. And I also took out the pulley, which goes right there. That's a 14. Pulley's right there on the floor. Took the mount off, obviously. The screws are up there. They're like 17s. So all that is out now, and the pump is right there, as you can see it. That's the pump. See it? Screws are right there. So now the screws are reachable, and I think I have enough space to take it out. The TSX was tighter than this, I'm pretty sure. And I also have the mount off, so I'll be able to lift the car up if I need to. So, I mean the engine up if I need to. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking them out. And they actually, I think the screws are 10 and not 8. I'm not sure, but I'll let you guys know. So I'm gonna start taking off the 10s on the top, the screws on the top off, and then I'm don't know if I can reach the other ones from the bottom or not. Yeah, I had to reach. You see there's a bolt. Don't know if you guys can see that or not. Camera. I'm on my phone camera, so you can't see that much. But should be able to reach some screws under here too, and then we should get it off. So I'm gonna do that now. Stick my hand there to that tight space. You have like maybe 2-3 inches of room to work with, so it should be enough to take screws off and to fit your wrench. So yeah, let me get to this. Drink my coffee and I get back to you guys. Just to let you guys know, the easy way to take these bolts out, as you can see right there, you got to use the rotation of the water pump. So basically you got to go inside those holes, turn it around until you find the bolt. Once you find the bolt, you put the socket in, and then you can twist it off and take it off. You got to do that for every single one of them. I just need one more to go, which is on the left side, and all the other ones already off. I already loosened this one over here. That's the easy way to do it. Just use that pulley, insert it on the hole, and then loosen it. Spin it again around until you find the other bolt and take it off. Easy way. So we got the water pump off. You see right there. It's right here. The old one. So you can see the new one's right here. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the edges out, those edges all around, dry it out, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the gasket on here, and then after that I'm gonna put some bond. Nah, I don't have Honda bond, but I do have this gasket maker type thing. I'll show you guys. Ultra gray, boom. See, like a pump there. I don't know if that's an oil pump or water pump, but still pump. So I'm gonna use this, so I'm gonna outline the edges all around, just so I don't have no leaks, because you do not want to take this back out after you do this hard work. This literally took me a long ass time. Literally, the last bolt from the left side, I had to take it out with the 10mm wrench, where it's right there. So I had to stick my hand under there and then loosen it. That top one right there, see that top one up there? Yeah, I have to use that wrench to take it off. Not an easy job, but it's possible to do it without doing any major shit. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna clean that up, set this up, gasket maker and all that, and then put everything back together. Update for you guys real quick of basically the water pump, and I think there's another hose down there that's cracked. I think that's the one where the thermostat goes into. I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like it. It goes to the radiator and it connects to the, pretty sure that's the block of the car, and I'm pretty sure the thermostat goes on that side and it's cracked. I have to change the thermostat anyway, so I might get a new hose for that. Yeah, this is how everything's looking. For the water pump is assembled. That's it right there. I just got to install the pulley from the top. I'm gonna move this back out the way. I had to basically close the hood at night so I could go inside, finish the job now. Old water pump. So yeah, we get started now. Try to put the pulley on and the belt, and then we're gonna move from there. So I just put the serpentine belt back on. As you guys can see, I use my ratchet, put on the pulley right there, use my bar, and you pull it all the way down, and it helps, gives you all the leverage you need to put the belt on. As you can see, show you guys how that goes. I'm gonna show the diagram for you guys anyways to see, so she can show you guys how the belt goes, but pretty much an idea right here on video how it goes. What you want to do basically under here, you want to wrap, show you guys, you want to wrap around this one, you want to wrap around that one, you want to go under this pulley right here, see right there, and then over all the way up to the top to here, under that pulley, over here all the way there, and boom, that's done. So we're done with this water pump job, but now I gotta move on to all the other jobs that I have to do. So this is gonna be the end of this video because I'm not gonna make it a longer video. I'm gonna continue on working on the rest of the stuff because I'm pretty sure I still gotta do the thermostat. I think I got another 2 hoses I gotta replace. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys in any way, shape, or form. Just stay tuned to the channel. There's more stuff coming, obviously, for the Accord. This is just getting my daily running right so I can make my money. Without money, the Accord won't be done. So yeah, stay tuned. And thanks you guys for watching my videos. Thanks you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for 955 subscribers. That's what we got so far. Hopefully we get to 1,000 before the end of this month. We will see. But thank you for all supporting me. All subscribe to the channel, liking my videos, commenting. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Just stay tuned, and there's gonna be more to come. Just gotta give me time, man. Time is always everything, all right? Peace.